Are you wondering how to watch local channels on Sling TV? It's a common question, especially for cord cutters who don't want to miss their favorite local news, sports, or shows. In this video, I'll explain how to access local channels on Sling TV and what options are available. Let's dive in. Sling TV offers local channels in select markets, but availability depends on your location. Major networks like ABC, CBS, FOX, and NBC are included through Sling's Local Channels add-on package in supported areas. To check if your local channels are available, simply enter your zip code on Sling's website during the sign-up process. If your area isn't covered, you can still access local broadcasts using an HD antenna, which pairs perfectly with Sling TV for a complete streaming experience. Keep in mind that Sling Orange and Sling Blue have different channel lineups, so make sure to choose the plan that best fits your needs. If this video helped you learn how to watch local channels on Sling TV, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!